Hey friends, got the hiccups? I've got a fun spoon trick that might just make them disappear. Let's try it together. First, fill a glass cup with water from a child-safe water dispenser and get a metal spoon. Now gently drop the spoon into the glass. The spoon handle sticks out, resting on the rim. Tilt the glass slowly, careful not to spill. The spoon should touch your forehead or nose bridge while you drink all the water. Hey, it's gone! No more hiccups. Here is how it works. It helps distract your brain and calm the hiccup reflex. It works for everyone. Try it next time you hiccup and follow me for more weird but wonderful life tricks.